Cracked heels are a common problem, especially in the summer when we love to wear sandals. They can be painful, unsightly, and downright annoying. But what if I told you that there's a simple trick involving a candle that can help erase cracked heels in just 3 days? Intrigued? Let's dive in. First things first, why do we get cracked heels? Our heels can crack for several reasons, including dry skin, prolonged standing, open back shoes, and even conditions like diabetes or eczema. The skin around the heels can become dry and thick, leading to those painful cracks. So what's the magic behind this candle trick? Let's break it down. The candle trick. You might be wondering, what does a candle have to do with fixing cracked heels? Well, it's not just any candle. It's all about using the wax. Candle wax has been found to create a protective barrier that locks in moisture, allowing the skin to heal. What you'll need: a white unscented candle. Paraffin wax works best. A small pot or double boiler. A bowl of cold water. A towel. Moisturizing lotion or oil, like coconut oil or olive oil. Step-by-step guide. Melt the wax. Start by melting the candle in a double boiler. If you don't have a double boiler, you can use a small pot inside a larger pot filled with water. Make sure to melt the wax completely, but don't let it get too hot. You want it warm, not scalding. Prep your feet. While the wax is melting, wash your feet with warm water and soap. Pat them dry with a towel, and make sure they are completely dry before proceeding. Dip and cool. Once the wax is melted and at a comfortable temperature, dip your feet into the wax, 1 foot at a time. Dip quickly, and then remove your foot and let the wax harden slightly. Repeat this process a few times to build up a few layers of wax on your heels. Wrap and relax. After you've built up a good layer of wax, wrap your feet in a towel and let the wax sit for about 30 minutes. This allows the wax to fully harden and the heat to penetrate your skin. Peel and moisturize. After 30 minutes, peel off the wax. You'll notice that your heels already feel softer. Apply a generous amount of moisturizing lotion or oil to your feet to keep the skin hydrated. Why this works? Candle wax works because it creates a seal over your skin, locking in moisture and warmth. This helps to soften the thick, dry skin and promotes healing. The process of dipping and cooling also provides a gentle exfoliation, removing dead skin cells and allowing new, healthy skin to surface. Tips for best results. Consistency is key. For the best results, do this treatment every night for 3 days. After the initial 3 days, you can repeat it once a week to maintain soft and smooth heels. Moisturize regularly, even after your heels have healed. Make it a habit to moisturize your feet daily. This will prevent the skin from drying out and cracking again. Stay hydrated. Drinking plenty of water helps keep your skin hydrated from the inside out. Make sure you're drinking enough water throughout the day. Benefits beyond soft heels. Apart from giving you smooth, crack-free heels, this candle trick has a few more benefits. Relaxation. The warm wax feels incredibly soothing and can be a great way to relax after a long day. Improved circulation. The heat from the wax increases blood flow to your feet, promoting overall foot health. Exfoliation. As mentioned, the wax helps to gently exfoliate dead skin cells, leaving your feet feeling fresh and rejuvenated. So there you have it. A simple, effective, and inexpensive way to heal cracked heels in just 3 days with a candle. Give it a try and let us know how it worked for you in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful and share it with your friends who might benefit from this nifty trick. And of course, subscribe for more amazing tips and tricks to keep you looking and feeling your best. Remember, healthy feet are happy feet. Keep them pampered and they'll carry you far.